Hi, welcome back. My name is Hashim. This is our review of Poco M2 Reloaded Edition. Included in the box are the 18-watt fast charger adapter, USB Type-C cable, SIM ejection tool, documentation, and the phone. This phone comes with a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The back is dual textured plastic, top part is plain and the lower part is textured for easier grip. Biometric sensor placed at the back below the triple camera array. A 2-megapixel depth sensor has been housed with the LED flash. This is a pretty standard setup. This phone supports dual SIM with microSD card on a single tray. Although it's not officially IP rated, it's visible that dust and water repellent measures have been implemented as the SIM card tray has a rubber seal installed. Dimensions of the phone are 163.3mm by 77mm. This phone weighs 198 grams and has a thickness of 9.1mm. The IPS LCD display has a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels with an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. Display to body ratio is 83.2%. The screen has a brightness of 400 nits. This phone has a quad camera setup. Primary sensor is a 13-megapixel f2.2 wide-angle lens. Then there is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 5-megapixel macro lens, and finally a 2-megapixel depth sensor. In the front, there is an 8-megapixel selfie camera with HDR and 1080p 30 frames per second video recording capability. As far as the connectivity is concerned, Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster located at the top of the phone. The sensor paired with Xiaomi's remote app can control just about any electronic appliance that comes with a remote. FM radio is included and works without a headphone. For charging and data transfer, USB Type-C is integrated with support for USB OTG. The 5000 mAh non-removable battery supports 18-watt fast charge. This phone runs on a 12nm MediaTek Helio G80 octa-core CPU with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. Internal storage of this model is 64GB and has a 4GB of RAM. This phone comes with MIUI 12 based on Android 10. Hope this video helps. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I will see you in the next one.